Can you guess the birds from their shadows? Guess the bird. Crow. Crows imitate other animals, even humans. Guess the bird. Duck. Ducks have waterproof feathers. Guess the bird. Parrot. Parrots are the only bird that can lift food up to their beak with their feet. Guess the bird. Peacock. After one day of birth, peacocks can walk, eat and drink without any help. Guess the bird. Seagulls. Seagulls eat everything, even trash. Guess the bird. Sparrow. On the ground, sparrows hop rather than walk. Guess the bird. Stork. Stork eat dead animals. Guess the bird. Swallow. Swallows build their nests with mud. Guess the bird. Eagle. Eagles are known as the king of birds. Guess the bird. Rooster. Roosters are a symbol of luck in Portugal. Guess the bird. Owl. Owls can't move their eyes. Guess the bird. Penguin. Penguins cannot fly. They use their wings to swim.